Let's look at the most commonly asked .NET interview question. Middleware and request pipeline. Are they same? Well, most of the people think that they both are same. It's one and the same thing. It's a most commonly asked question, and people almost confuse, most of the people almost confuse this question. Here, the trick is interviewer might ask you middleware is part of request pipeline or request pipeline is a part of middleware. Confused? Let's look at into details. Now, what is request pipeline? Consider request pipeline is the full path where your HTTP request travels from entry to the response. Every step along the highway is part of this request, this pipeline, which is the which we called as a request pipeline. Then what is the middleware then? Isn't it the same thing? Middleware are the building blocks, like they are some checkpoints wherein you do authentication, you do a logging, you handle the course, you know each one can do a different things. So that is the middleware, and obviously you can customize the middleware. So request pipeline is not part of middleware. Middleware is part of request pipeline. So answer is these are two different concepts. Request pipeline is the full path and middleware are the checkpoints. Consider with this with consider this example with the simple analogy. There is a highway which is your request pipeline, and middlewares are like your check post, like tolls, right, wherein you do authentication, logging, course and everything. Clear now? The request pipeline is the highway and middleware are the checkpoints. Follow me for the more tips and tricks in the .NET and the Azure world. Happy learning.